Today is Wednesday, April 27th, 2021. I just left the tire shop and I'm pissed. They done an alignment on the car, but because he didn't want to use a little extra muscle, he decided to heat the inner rods to loosen up the bolt so he can adjust the alignment. But Toyota uses plastic seats for tie rods, for the balls of tie rods. Which means when he heated the inner, he also heated the outer. Because the heat transfers. Which also he melted the seats, plastic seats. Now I'll have to replace ball joints within 10,000 miles, if not less. Both of them. You guys might want to say that the car is rusted. No, this car from Florida. It was never rusted. First year, actually, I driven throughout the winter. That was also partially salty roads because they use salt here in Kentucky. Last fall, alignment was done on the car. So they did adjust those rods. They didn't have to use heat. To use heat. To heat it. I am really pissed. It seems like you have to have your own shop, your own restaurant, your own delivery service. This world is just going, I don't know where. When they put incompetent people behind somebody else's, and those people damage other people's stuff. I have no words what to say. I have no words what to say when people damage other people stuff. In my situation, ball joint, outer rods, ball joints, because everything else is metal. But now it's a risk because on a highway, that ball joint can hop out and I lose steering. Where do this country finds these people and puts them in spots where those people put other people in danger? I'm pissed. I know you guys probably don't care, but keep in mind that they might be doing the same thing to your vehicle. So, never ever when you take the vehicle into the shop, don't let them work on your vehicle without you watching them. And if they don't have a problem, and if they have a problem with you watching them, find another shop. And use common sense when you see and something doesn't add up. I don't know if I'm going to be working today. Because somebody just threw about $500 into trash on my vehicle. I asked them to put it in writing, and they're like, "Oh, yes, we will put it in writing." Guess what? He said, "We hit the inner rods because they were seized." Really seized? And we only take responsibility for the inner rods and the ball and the nut. We're not taking out the responsibility for the outer rods because they know they damaged it. They knew very well what they did. They purposely did that. So I'll be back. Purposely. They're damaging our vehicles purposely. So we will be back because they need business. Without their business, without our vehicles in their shop, they have no business. I will be back. Because I was pissed with that alignment that they heated the end rods. I came back where I live into town, and I decided. So I didn't let them do the balance and the tires after Costco doing them on Saturday, and everything vibrates. So I came to town. I'm like, let me pull up to this shop and get and have them rebalance the tires. I want to see what's up, why the tires are vibrating. After they held me, I believe it was on Saturday. They held me at Costco for an hour and a half. Every tire, 3 tires, had 0.5 ounce of too much of weight. One of the the 4th tire, had 1.75 ounce of too much of weight. I don't know. Can you guys tell me, how do you digest that? I really would appreciate you guys to comment in the comment section of this video when you guys see it. How do you guys digest all this? On same car, 2 different places, both of them doing this. I am right now gonna go, I don't know, 2-3 miles to Danville just to check how I feel the tires. But for me, it's just shocking. Oh yeah, it's a lot nicer. No, but something, it's even worse. Okay, whatever's going on, I'm not sure. I'll be back. I took a day off, so guys, be blessed. Talk to you guys tomorrow.